Alright, hey, welcome back to class. So today we'll be learning the first three diddle rudiments. And the first one is the single paradiddle, the second one is the double paradiddle, and the next one is the triple paradiddle. So this is how you play the single paradiddle. You start with a regular accent, paradiddle, paradiddle. So the notes are going to be right, left, right, left, left. And you're going to play like this. And once you get comfortable with playing it, you can go at different speeds too and get faster. And the next rule we have is the double paradiddle. So the double paradiddle has two grace notes in between it, and you will play it like this. Alright, so this is how you would play a single paradiddle. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Then when you get comfortable playing the rudiment, you can speed it up at different tempos. The next rudiment we will have is a double paradiddle. You will play a double paradiddle like this. Right, left, left, right, left, left. This is how it sounds when it's fast. Alright, now let's go back to the single paradiddle. You'll play it like at this tempo. So it'll be right, left, left. Once you play it again, you're going to count in your head. This is going to be one measure of paradiddles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Or you can count it like that. Next, on a double paradiddle, you do it the same way. The time signature is still going to be in 4/4, so you're going to play it the same way when you're playing it with the time signature. Right, left, left, left. Alright, so those were the two rudiments for this weekend. Once you practice those and get comfortable, we can move on to the next two. Thanks for coming to class.